HVAC Technician. Module 1. What is a HVAC Technician? Introduction to the module. In this course we will learn all there is to know about being an HVAC technician. What is an HVAC technician anyway? Knowing what HVAC stands for should make everything clear. It stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Those who works in this occupation specialize in installation, maintenance and repair of HVAC equipment. Some technicians concentrate on only one type of system, either heating, air conditioning, or refrigeration, while others offer a broader range of services. Topics to be covered: HVAC technician duties and responsibilities, HVAC technician skills and competencies, education, training, and certification, the pros and cons of an HVAC career, HVAC technician duties and responsibilities. HVAC systems are the lifeblood of any indoor setting, whether you talk about homes, grocery stores, malls, offices, manufacturing facilities, airports, or hotels. Every commercial and residential property requires a solid HVAC system to ensure excellent air quality and effective heating and cooling. These are some typical job duties for HVAC technicians are: reading blueprints and HVAC equipment specifications, assembling and installing HVAC/R units in residential or commercial buildings, cutting or drilling holes in building structures, installing solar panels, thermostats, humidistats, and timers, connecting HVAC systems to electrical, water, and fuel sources, ensuring that the HVAC units are working perfectly, testing HVAC components and systems according to the manufacturer's specifications, testing piping or tubing joints for leakages, troubleshooting common HVAC system problems, cleaning and replacing air filters and other malfunctioning parts, inspecting, unclogging, and cleaning ducts, selling service contracts or AMCs for HVAC equipment maintenance or servicing. Most HVAC technicians work for construction contractors, but approximately 1 out of 10 are self-employed. Work environments can include schools, hospitals, business sites, offices, homes, and sometimes multiple locations in the same day. Technicians might be assigned to an ongoing job site, or make service calls to various locations daily. Most work takes place indoors, but this job can also involve outdoor tasks, sometimes in inclement weather. While HVAC technicians may come across without a college degree, that is not necessarily the case with all technicians in this sector. Yes, it is possible to start without an HVAC degree, but that isn't the ideal route to becoming a professional HVAC service technician. The easiest way to learn the ropes is to complete a full-course HVAC training program. Education is an essential part of learning the fundamentals and nuances of refrigeration, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Due to heavy urbanization, HVAC technicians are in great demand across the globe. Anytime a building is constructed, a technician is needed for the safe and proper installation of HVAC systems. Thanks to the nature of the job, the very specific skills and competencies that professionals in this domain require, AI and bots are less likely to replace HVAC tech jobs. Aside from large-scale construction, most houses are constructed according to its owner/founder's wishes, so require custom fitting, which is something that cannot be replicated by an AI algorithm. With steady job growth predicted in the foreseeable future for HVAC technicians, it is a good time to enter this industry with the right set of skills and qualifications. HVAC technician skills and competencies. With a good skill set, it is possible work as an HVAC technician. But it is almost universally preferred to have a proper certification, licensing from a trusted source in technician. Education. Most employers prefer to hire workers who have received post-secondary instruction at a trade or technical school. The U.S. Armed Forces also offer HVAC training. Apprenticeships. Employers will also hire candidates who have completed a 3 to 5 year paid apprenticeship. Apprentices acquire their skills both in the classroom and on the job. Licensing. Some states and localities require that HVAC technicians be licensed. This usually means passing a written test. Beyond technical skills obtained through formal training, certain soft skills and personal qualities are also important in finding success in this occupation. Listening. It's important to fully understand what customers are telling about their problems in order to fully understand their problems even when they don't understand it themselves. Speaking. Being able to articulately and clearly share information with coworkers and customers will allow efficient handling of tools and materials as well as minimize obstacles. Time management. Meeting the demands of a busy schedule means managing time well. Critical thinking. This will allow you to weigh various solutions to a problem and choose the best one. Physical strength and dexterity. HVAC equipment are not small. Having enough strength to lift 50 pounds easily and be able to carry and maneuver heavier items, either with help or appropriate devices, are important. While not a soft skill, HVAC technicians should also have clean driving records and a valid driver's license because this job often entails traveling from location to location. They should be able to pass a drug screen and background check. Pros and cons of being an HVAC technician. Pro. HVAC, work and live almost anywhere. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration are utilities most people use on a daily basis. The number of these systems in the United States is massive. To keep all of these systems up and running, HVAC technicians and the services they render are needed across the country. Paired with the growing demand, the commonness of HVAC systems will allow you to work and live practically anywhere you want to. With this abundance of geographic options to choose from. Pro. With HVAC, get paid while learning the job. When choosing to become an HVAC technician, the best courses provide extensive training on the job as an entry-level employee following the completion of the training program. During this time, even a beginner will earn approximately half of the salary that their fully trained journeyman counterparts do. The great part about it, however, is that you will typically receive pay raises as you master more and more skills of the job. The experienced professionals from whom you learn will transform you from a novice who is right out of a training program into a full-fledged HVAC technician with a wealth of practical knowledge. Pro. HVAC makes a difference in the environment and in the lives of customers. Many of the jobs HVAC technicians do are aimed at improving the efficiency of HVAC systems and reducing the negative effects their operations have on the environment. HVAC technicians execute a variety of tasks to meet these environmentally friendly ends, including swapping out old filters for new ones, installing dehumidifiers where they are needed, installing thermostats that help save energy and money, installing heat pumps to help reduce carbon emissions. Properly functioning HVAC systems not only reduce environmental impact, they also help save consumers money and provide them with optimal comfort in their homes and work settings. This improves their quality of life, which is invaluable. Con. HVAC occasionally has long hours. As with many other workers, HVAC technicians have times of the year that are busier than others. HVAC technicians commonly work heavy amounts of overtime during peak heating and cooling seasons. During these times, those machines are pushed to their limits and their performance must be monitored by technicians. Logging long work hours is undoubtedly strenuous for HVAC technicians and their bodies, though it is not without benefit, as they are compensated accordingly to reward their hard work. Think of it as a double-edged sword. Con. HVAC has occupational safety hazards. Working as an HVAC technician does involve some risk of bodily harm. HVAC technicians suffer more on-the-job injuries than workers in many other professions because they are often working with heavy equipment, extreme heat and/or cold, not to mention they are subjected to hazardous materials from time to time. HVAC technicians can achieve an excess of different certifications signifying competence in working with different machinery. That definitely helps cut down on injuries. Those who work with refrigerants are required to pass a test given by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Certifications help make HVAC work environments safer, but they don't eliminate workplace mishaps completely, so just be aware of this when considering a career as an HVAC technician. Summary. Once we have finished this module, we should have an understanding of HVAC technician duties and responsibilities, HVAC technician skills and competencies, education, training, and certification, the pros and cons of an HVAC career.